What would one forklift accident cost your warehouse? Let's do the math, because it adds up fast. Forklift accidents are among the most common safety incidents in warehouses. And when they happen, they're not just painful, they're expensive. Let's start with medical costs. The average workers' comp claim for a head injury, that's $92,000. If it's more severe, that number jumps way higher. Next, OSHA fines. If violations are found, you're looking at least $12,000 per incident. But repeat offenses, that climbs over $126,000. Then there's product damage. Let's say $100,000 worth of inventory is lost. That's straight off your bottom line. Need repairs? Forklift fixes run from $700 to $4,000. And a full replacement? That's $25,000 or more. Oh, and downtime. If operations halt for cleanup or investigation, that could cost $260,000 per hour in lost revenue. So what's the total damage? Easily over $500,000 from one preventable accident. Now ask yourself, when was the last time you reviewed your training program? Are your operators truly prepared? Many warehouses wait until something goes wrong. But the truth is, if you're not actively preventing accidents, you're already paying for them. Let's talk about how better training can protect your people and your bottom line. We've taken our experience building XR training for the Fortune 500 and want to share how and why it works. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn how it's making a difference right now and see examples of its impact in real-world projects. If you want to find out how it might fit your industry or specific needs, go to roundtablelearning.com and reach out to us. We'd love to answer all your questions.